Hi guys! Good morning!
Hello,
Good afternoon na pala.
Huh?
Good afternoon na.
It's 1 o'clock.
So,
Good afternoon.
We're going to try purple marshmallows.
Actually, ube.
Ube.
Ube marshmallows
Yes.
from Artisan Emporium in Mega Mall.
So, let's try it.
I've never tried ube marshmallows, but anything ube is already 10 out of 10 for me. Let's see how it tastes. Alright, there it is. The ube goodness. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's try.
Just once. Babe, walang ka naman.
Tastes like actual ube.
Ube. Yummy.
Mmm. And it has,
Mmm.
what is that?
What's that?
Yum.
Sarap. Babe, super tamis, babe. Tama na, babe.
Look at that.
Na may sakit siya, so bawal siya kumain muna ng super daming sweets. Nagkasakit siya kasi wanay kain ng sweets.
Dal.
Putek.
Very nice. That's 10 out of 10 for me.
Yeah, different kind of marshmallow. Maybe sa akin 10 out of 10 din.
Yeah.
So goody. Try
So
it
good.
though. Try nyo, try. Try. Saan mo yan nabili?
Artisan Emporium
Saan?
in the new wing. The new wing
Sa-
of Mega Mall.
Okay, SM Mega Mall.
Mhm.
Punta lang kayo doon. Then, try.
You won't be able to taste it if you don't try it.
So, we can't
Super
eat
sarap.
that much now kasi may sakit. Not too much sweets. Bawal muna. Kasi nagkasakit pa. Tignan mo. Diba?
May budoy.
Okay, yan lang. So, see ya.
Quick
2
one.
minutes lang oh. Quick one lang to. Bye!
Enjoy. Bye.